Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Rogue's AC filter. First, open your glove box. Then, carefully remove the small stopper arm located on the right side of the glove box. This allows the glove box to swing down further, giving you access to the filter housing. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself, saving time and money. Once the glove box is out of the way, you'll see the filter housing. There are usually 2 clips on either side. Unclip these to release the cover. Gently pull the old cabin air filter straight out. Before discarding it, take a moment to observe the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow indicates the direction air flows through the filter, which is crucial for correct installation. Now, take your new cabin air filter. Make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing. It should fit snugly without forcing it. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring both clips snap firmly back into position to seal it properly. With the new filter installed and the housing cover secured, it's time to reassemble the glove box. Carefully push the glove box back up and reattach the stopper arm on the right side. Close the glove box completely. For optimal air quality and AC performance, it's generally recommended to replace your Nissan Rogue's cabin air filter every 12,000 miles or once a year.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.